Hello guys, what's going on? This is David. Glad you can join me. A couple of kind of like a dual review here of the Osmo Action. From that new company, Cynova, Osmo Action dual 3.5 millimeter USB-C adapter. It's an audio adapter is what it is. And I had to get the cage from Pgytech. And right there, because on the Osmo Action, you have to take the door off and you have to slide this thing in there like that, but it won't fit on other cages because this is not wide enough. So hence, it won't go fit all the way in. It just won't work. So this is my, I already had the tripod, and here's the screw for the tighten down the cage. So let's put this baby together. Oh, it goes this way. Sorry. There we go, and then this wheel, I believe it's this way, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, it's got to be, excuse me, this way. These are kind of, there we go. Just snap it into place, and there it is. And here is the audio adapter. There's a USB-C right here, and what you do, you want the plug in for your microphone to be toward the back. So, and on the bottom here it has another USB-C for charging. So if you have this in here, plug it in like that. And you can use this USB-C to charge the Osmo Action. And we're using the Osmo Action as you know, the power for the microphone. So, and then here on top you got cold shoe. These here slide off, so it's like a cold shoe on a cold shoe is the way I look at it. But anyway, there's that. And then on the side you also have another one that has a 1/4 20, I think they are, and it also will slide off, and then you can put it back on and put a light on here, well, up here on top you put a shotgun mic and a light over here, or vice versa, however you feel to you want to set it up. But you know, I don't need to demonstrate. Actually, I will demonstrate how it works. I don't want to forget that, but let me get it back down here in the I'm filming this with the video is being with the Osmo Pocket, so that's what you're looking through now. But let me pause this and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Look, I got a little lapel microphone that I'm going to plug into the Osmo Action. Let me turn it on first. All right. Let's see. I think you can see that. So now watch up here in the upper right hand corner when I plug this in. It's gonna see it shows a well, it did. Hold on. What's going on here? Yeah, I didn't have it plugged in all the way. But you can see the microphone emblem there. And as I'm talking, you can see the volume of the microphone, you know, it goes up. So you know that it's working when it's doing that. So anyway, it does work. I've tried it, and so yeah, that'll be all right. I didn't want a big shotgun mic on top. It's just, you know, I don't want all that stuff on it. I might have that light on there, but I doubt it. I have a light that it can go on here. I do have a shotgun, but I'm giving that away. And but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a nice setup. I'm glad I got the audio adapter, because all you had to work with was off the camera itself. And anyway, I'm gonna do a demonstration on the microphone, and I'll add that to this video. So anyway, let me turn the pocket off, and I'll check out the other one. All right. All right, guys. Hey, what's up? Here's a demonstration of the audio adapter for the Osmo Action. I have a lapel mic here, so let's do a testing 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. Now I'm going to unplug this and just go off the Osmo Action microphone. So here we go. Hold on. All right, there we go. So there's the difference there. And let's plug in the audio adapter again. And hold on. There we go. So my video, or the thing went out, couldn't see me, so I got the front facing camera at me. So anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we shall see you later. All right, over and out. See you later.